Now, this evening, we have wall-to-wall coverage, including reactions from the Director of Public Prosecutions, the Financial Investigation Division, and the government.
But first, for the very latest, we join our reporter Kirk Wright, who is now at the MOCA headquarters in New Kingston. Kirk?
And we do apologize, Herman, for that poor video quality. We know it has been raining since afternoon in the corporate area, but earlier the police carried out several raids.
Yes, they did. And TVJ's Anthony Lugg will kick off our coverage with what happened earlier.
5 a.m. Wednesday, police swarmed King's House Avenue, St. Andrew. The target, former Education Minister Ruel Reid. Many speculated it was only a matter of time before this would happen, given the seriousness of the corruption allegations. It would be the second time the police have raided one of his homes. In March, the police searched and removed items from Ruel Reid's College Green St. Andrew residence shortly after he was fired by the Prime Minister. As the sun rose on Wednesday, the police, some wearing gloves, went in and out of the house and into a police vehicle parked on the premises. They searched and probed the Reid's residence as they sought to untangle what they believe is a web of corruption involving the former minister and the Caribbean Maritime University. Shortly after 9, attorney-at-law Carolyn Chuck approached the gate. The police verified that she was a lawyer before she was allowed inside. But by 10:30, it was evident that efforts were being made to extract Reid from his house without being captured by our cameras. The police proceeded to park at strategic points on the premises. TVJ News drone captured 5 vehicles parked to the rear of the house, 3 of which are believed to be owned by Reid and his family. The others, police vehicles. Few minutes before midday, 2 persons emerged from the Reid's residence covered by a leopard print sheet. They were led into the waiting police van parked on the front lawn. A convoy of unmarked MOCA vehicles then exited the Reid's home into the heart of the city's Golden Triangle. Now, after close to 7 hours of searching and speaking with the former Education Minister Ruel Reid, the police from MOCA has just left his residence. We're being told that he has been escorted to the MOCA office here in Kingston. At the MOCA office on Old Hope Road, St. Andrew, Reid was quickly taken inside. Investigators followed, taking several computers seized at Reid's home into the office. 52-year-old Ruel Reid came to national prominence when he served as president of the influential Jamaica Teachers Association from 2005 to 2006. In 2006, Reid was appointed principal of Jamaica College. The following year, Bruce Golding led the Jamaica Labour Party to victory in the general elections, and he named Holness as his Minister of Education. Reid was invited by Mr. Holness to serve as one of his advisors between 2007 and 2011 before the JLP was voted out of office. After winning the February 2016 general election, Mr. Holness then appointed Reid to the Senate and put him in charge of the Education Ministry. Reid was also seeking to represent the JLP in the next general election in the St. Ann Northwestern seat, but he was booted recently in light of the corruption allegations he's facing. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.